prompt: use Flutter's built-in widgets to create layout for a calculator app, create buttons for the numbers, operators, and display the result. And this was the code which was given by ChatGPT, and then just have to get the code and put it in my code editor. And this was the code. So the code had a problem. It gave an error on the button, so I just had to change this into an inkwell, and of course I have to change this from unpressed to untapped and then now the code seems to be ready. So we just remove some necessary widgets for containers and add a constructor here. Okay, so we just modified the code a bit. So I forgot to add some entry point and we got this error, so just going to add an entry point which get rid of the theme of the title there. Then we're just going to replace this with that, and we're going to run with a debug, and let's see what we get. So let's try this how code works. So we have the buttons here and the logic operators here. So let's try go to 7. Okay, it works. 8, 9. Okay, with the operators. Okay, so we can now see some functionality to our application. So we see the display is being updated using the numbers that we have. Okay, this is really cool. And then let's know if we can have some actual mathematical operations like the subtraction, addition, multiplication. Let's see if ChatGPT can do that. So we're just taking step by step. Let's go to the next step, see if we can add some mathematical operations. So using the prompt, implement the calculator logic. Use that to implement the logic for the calculator, and you need to create functions that handle the arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. And that is basically we taught ChatGPT to actually implement the logic for a calculator and carry out the mathematical operations, and it gave out this code. And again, let's try to see how this code works. And then let's say we multiply by 7. Okay, alright, C to clear everything, and then we can say let's see, clears everything. We say 2 plus 1. Okay, so obviously still needs work, and you can see the not perfect, but this is a very good base for your application. You can actually begin working on it from here. You can see we've actually gone far enough to be able to actually get something done and have something tangible, and just use this as a starting point for your actual calculator application.